Hi, I'm Adam Manson, Chief Product Officer at BVR. I'm excited to share a new enhancement now available in DealStats, the FactSet BVR Control Premium Study, BIZCOMPS, and the Stout Restricted Stock Study. Subscribers can now export their saved screens, share them, and import them. Additionally, you can select a saved screen to automatically load each time you enter the platform. If you're unfamiliar with saved screens, they are any saved filters you have applied on the Quick Search and Search tabs, or any changes you have made to the Data tab, which is configured using the Display tab. If you would like to save your screen, which is any filters you have applied or anything that you have modified on the Data tab, simply click the Save button. To export a saved screen, first select Load. Then click the Download Saved Screens option. Next, select the saved screen or screens you wish to export. Then click the Download Save Screen button and save the file to your computer. You may share these saved screens with others. To import a saved screen, first select Load. Then click Upload Saved Screens. Locate the file on your computer, select Open, select the saved screen or screens you wish to import. Then click Upload. The saved screens will now appear in your saved screens list. Do you have a saved screen you want to apply each time you log into the platform? Simply click the saved screen and toggle the Apply on Logon option. Now, whenever you enter the platform, this saved screen will automatically be applied until you turn it off. The new Save Screen Export and Import feature is a great tool for sharing saved screens with others. The ability to apply a saved screen by default whenever you enter the platform also helps streamline your frequent work. If you have questions, please contact us at customerservice@bbresources.com or call 503-479-8200.